What if I told you that the secret to reclaiming your energy and moving pain-free has nothing to do with spending hours at the gym? It sounds hard to believe, because for years, we've been pushed to believe that getting fit requires sweating, lifting heavy weights, or driving yourself to exhaustion. But right now, thousands of seniors are quietly boosting their daily strength, unlocking tight joints and sharpening their balance, using a simple 10-minute flow that requires zero equipment and zero stress on your knees. To understand why this gentle routine works when traditional workouts fail, you first have to look at the hidden mistake millions of people over 60 make every single day. When you sit for long periods or force your body through harsh movements, your muscles lock up and your stabilizing pathways go completely dormant. Even worse, it creates micro-strains in your lower back and grinds down your cartilage step by step. So, what is the exact 10-minute sequence that wakes up those dormant stabilizer muscles, restores natural flexibility, and locks in rock-solid balance? It isn't high-intensity cardio, and it isn't an exhausting floor routine. It is a specialized, low-impact, full-body activation flow, and the way it instantly recharges your circulation and joint mobility will completely shock you. When you perform these gentle, continuous movements, something extraordinary happens inside your nervous system. Instead of triggering pain or fatigue, it floods your body with oxygenated blood, lubricates stiff joint sockets, and trains your brain to keep you steady on your feet. But here is the catch. 90% of people try stretching at home and get zero long-term results because they skip one critical alignment rule. Here is the exact step-by-step method to do it safely right now. First, stand tall with your feet shoulder-width apart, roll your shoulders back, and let your arms hang relaxed by your sides. Now, before you begin the first movement, stop. This next second determines whether your muscles actually engage. Instead of rushing into the stretch, take a deep, controlled breath. Pull your belly button slightly toward your spine and feel your center of gravity sink firmly into your heels. Now, slowly reach both arms upward in a wide, sweeping arc, lifting your chest while keeping your head aligned. Feel your entire back open up and your core activate all at once to keep you balanced. As you lower your arms, transition smoothly into a gentle torso turn, letting your hips sway naturally without forcing the twist. If you feel a light warming sensation through your spine and legs, do not panic. That warmth is the exact signal that your body is releasing tight fascia and firing up forgotten muscle fibers. If you commit just 10 minutes to this full-body routine every single morning within just a few days, your back will feel looser, walking upstairs will feel lighter, and you'll move through your day with an unshakable confidence. So, are you ready to reclaim your mobility and feel decades younger? Hit that subscribe button right now, tap the like button, and drop a comment below letting me know how your body feels after today's 10 minutes. I'll see you in tomorrow's routine.